Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. We have a small video for you guys today. We got a potato harvesting video, and we want to show you guys how our potato. Every year we plant potatoes, and every year we kind of plant them and leave them. And times like this, we put it on video so you guys can see how successful or not successful our potatoes did for us. And I'm gonna do this one, a little bit different with all the kids. Actually, I did it with the kids before, but they love finding potatoes and different things. We don't go around the garden and look for some cucumbers, different things that we can harvest. We're gonna do it today. We got some beans. We have a few things that we can get, and we want to do it early in the morning because today, 98 degrees, and I'm trying to be out here. So, let's go. I'm gonna grab this. All right. Let's go. 2 hands.
I see a potato!
See a potato, right? That means it's ready. Thank you, Charlotte. Let's go. There we go. Let's go get the other one. You got it? You got it? Let's go. I got it. You got it.
Oh my god, this smells.
Yeah. Let's go around. Put this one right here. All right. Awesome. Now we're gonna unpack this potato. We're gonna see what we got. All right, so before we dump this bag of potato on the floor, I usually just cut the foliage off just to make it a little bit more easier.
Snap, snap, snap.
That's right. We snapping.
Snap,
We
snap.
snapping today.
Snap all those. I'm hot. I used to have one of those before, but I lost it.
Really? You had one of these snips?
Yeah.
Who gave it to you?
You?
I never give you this.
Yes, you did.
I don't remember that, girl.
Do.
All right. There you go. Put it over there. Thank you, Charlotte. All right. Awesome. All right.
I'm so excited.
Let's go.
A potato! Oh!
Find the potato.
Mama!
And put it in. Go ahead, girls. All right.
I found one.
Awesome.
I found one! I found one!
Wow. Chelsea, you got a big one. That is a big one.
Let's see. These are,
They're
wow.
really good potatoes. Look, check it
I
out.
got one!
These are,
Baby!
Nice.
Oh, I
these are a lot
found one!
bigger than last
I
time.
found more!
A lot.
I found
A lot bigger.
more!
Chelsea, how much potatoes you got, girl?
I know. Thank you. I found a little mini potato.
Wow.
I found a
Girls,
baby
this year, Trent is right. We get to make wedges with these.
Guys,
Yeah.
look.
Throw it in. Here.
Hey guys, look. I got
You got an old thing of potatoes.
Daddy,
Not that
Daddy,
one.
look.
That one no good.
Daddy, look. Daddy, look.
Nice. I like that small one.
Ew, no.
Go ahead. We can make roast potato with the small one. They're good.
I mixed it.
So this is the girls. They digging for potatoes, and so far they were very successful. Look how much potatoes they got. They got some really big ones. Chelsea, she went digging really good. Look at her. She getting all that potato. You too, Charlotte. Madison, Trinity, they're finding. They're making sure they find everything. Even a small one.
What's this?
What?
Oh wow,
found
this
a
is
baby.
heavy.
I found a baby
Got at
one.
least about,
I
I
found
don't know, 10
one.
pounds of potatoes.
Here, I found one.
Oh, that one is rotten. Throw it over there. She found her rotten one. Good throw.
I found it.
All right, so now we're gonna do
It's in
like a
the
little
crate.
scavenger hunt. We're gonna walk around and look for cucumbers and different things we can
Are
find.
you?
Go ahead. Where is it?
Right there.
Where is it?
Right there.
All right, grab it. Grab it. I'll cut it off for you. Grab it. You gotta grab it.
Here.
You got it?
Got it.
I got it. There you go.
Can't
Show it
see.
to Trinity. Chelsea, I think there's another one over here.
It's a big boy.
That's a nice one. Look, Chelsea got one. Grab it. You gotta grab it. You got it?
Guys,
I'll
where
snip
did
it
I
off
put
for you.
this? The two crumbleweed.
Here,
Hey, where's the other one?
show Trinity. Got one.
Daddy, where did I put
You can put it right in there.
Where else are they?
Right over here. You have more right here. Look, you got one right over there.
It looks like it's rolling
That
away.
one's too small. Manson, I think there's one over there. Come on, Trey. Manson got one. Right there. Grab it.
Oh my god, look at that one.
Bottom, from the bottom. There you go. Good job.
I found one.
Good job, girl.
It's like a skinny door. I found one.
Yeah. Hey, I got one. Charlotte. I got one. Oh, wow. The squash is getting big. Put that one in the basket. Yes. All right. We're going to keep looking.
Basket.
Let's go. Let's go, Trey.
I
This
need
way.
the basket.
All right, guys. So it's really hot out here. So we're going to stop. And we got enough to maybe feed us for a day or two. We got like 10 pounds of potatoes. We got 5 cucumbers. There's some other stuff we can probably get. But, oh man, sweat's on my eyes. But we're going to hold off for that for another day. We're going to let them get a little bigger and even more better. But the girls did really well. They found a lot of potatoes. They found some cucumbers. And the scavenger hunt stopped right now because it's crazy out. All right? Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate you guys being here. Charlotte, tell them we out.
We out.
Later.